How can I make money online in 2025? This is the question everyone is asking. And I understand why we're asking that question. It's because money is important. We all need money. That's why in my first video, I spoke about how you can make money online in 2025. But I make emphasis on what? On skills. That's why in this video, if you want to know the high paying skill, high income skill that you can learn to make money online in 2025, then stay back. You see, making money online is a whole lot of work. It's not easy as you used to see that. It's like, oh, how I made my this, how I made my that. Before you can make money online, you need to have something you can offer. You don't just make money without solving a problem. So the first high income skill you need to learn in 2025 to make a whole lot of money is content creation. See, if you are somebody that can talk, people will pay you. You will make a whole lot of money online. If you're somebody that you're not shy, like you're not shy to come outside, you're not shy to tell us your experience, then why not try content creation? Try it. There's a lot of money, even though you need to learn first before you can make money. Even at that, if you know what you are doing, if you know yourself, if you know your personality, if you know your strength is that you can talk, then try content creation. It's one of the skills that will pay well in 2025. Also, another high income skill you need to learn to make a whole lot of money in 2025 is video editing. Hmm. People don't know what's up. See, you are even smiling. I know somebody might say that, how you say video editing? Video editing is going to be what? Is going to be hot cake in 2025. We have a whole, let's take YouTube for an example. We have a whole lot of new YouTuber, and most of us, we are not yet good with what? Video editing, because we are just coming. You can just do little things. Or just imagine that you can edit video for us. You are good in editing, you are good in video editing, you're going to make a whole lot of money. Let me break this thing down for you. Imagine you pitch your service to 20 new YouTuber, and each new YouTuber, they are doing 8 videos in a month, and you charge each new YouTuber 2,000 naira per video, and 8 times 2,000 naira times 20 new YouTuber. Do the mathematics. That is a whole lot of money. So if you want to be odogu in this 2025, consider video editing skill. It's going to what? It's going to give you a whole lot of money in 2025. So the third high paying skill you need to learn in 2025 is content writing. Content writing is going to what? It's going to be hot cake in 2025. Why do I say so? The reason is because I'm not, and wait, before you start saying, what do you mean by content writing? I'm not talking about all these 2 weeks copywriting class that we did. That we all think, oh, I've done 2 weeks copywriting class, so I'm a copywriter. You are not a copywriter. You are far from it. So I'm not talking about the traditional content writing. Now, the world is revolving. We have AI. ChatGPT is there. So you need that. If you are learning content writing, learn the modern what? Modern content writing. So you can start technical writing, cryptocurrency writing, tech writing. See, technical writing is even money. A whole lot of people are learning about tech every day. Imagine you breaking down complex tech, breaking it down in your own writing. And you will understand tech very well. People are going to pay you. So there is a whole lot of money in what? In content writing. So try and what? Upskill yourself. If you're a content writer, I'm also a content writer. So I'm upskill what? You need to upskill yourself. So upskill yourself. Upskill, upgrade. If you are a blog writer, try to become a technical writer. Learn about cryptocurrency. So upskill. And another high paying skill, high income skill you need to learn in 2025. Hmm. If I say it now, a whole lot of people do not like that skill. Everybody is running away from it. Even me, I'll be like, I don't like this skill, I can't do it. Who told you you can't do it? Just like I said in my first video, that before you start making money online, you need to understand yourself. But there is something I will also say is that once you understand yourself, you might think something is your weakness. But then if you try it out, you realize that so I can actually do this. So that skill is not a skill everybody like. And the skill is sales and marketing. You see, everybody is running away from sales and marketing. And when I say sales and marketing, I'm not talking about affiliate marketing. See, affiliate marketing work for those that understand affiliate marketing. When I talk about sales and marketing skill, I'm talking about you learning how to sell. And when I talk about learning how to sell, it doesn't necessarily have that you have to sell for somebody. You can sell for yourself. If you are good at something, create a course, preach it out to people. There's some people that they've written a book, they don't know how to sell. They don't know how to sell their book, but you are good in sales and marketing, or you've even learned what? You've learned sales and marketing skill. So all this skill is going to what? It's going to be of help in 2025. See, this is just February. Imagine you start learning this skill now. By December, you have a whole lot of money. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, because on this my YouTube channel I'll be talking about strategies, things that you've not even imagined that, oh, so this thing can actually give me money, so I can make money like this. So I'm going to talk about it, and thank you so much.